Can I mobile deposit a check for someone else without their authorization?
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be discussing an important question. Can you mobile deposit a check for someone else without their authorization? This is a topic that raises concerns about legality and ethical practices. Let's delve into it and find out the answer.
Understanding mobile check deposits.
First, let's establish what a mobile check deposit is. Mobile check deposit allows individuals to deposit checks into their bank accounts using a mobile banking app on their smartphones or other mobile devices. It provides convenience and flexibility by eliminating the need to visit a physical bank branch.
The importance of authorization.
When it comes to depositing a check for someone else, it is crucial to consider the aspect of authorization. Authorization refers to obtaining someone's permission or consent before conducting a transaction on their behalf. This applies to both physical and mobile check deposits.
Legal and ethical implications.
Depositing a check for someone else without their authorization raises legal and ethical concerns. Unauthorized depositing of someone else's check can be seen as fraud or forgery, as it involves accessing and manipulating someone's funds without their knowledge or consent. From a legal standpoint, forging someone's signature or depositing a check without their explicit permission is generally considered illegal. It can lead to criminal charges, fines, and potential imprisonment, depending on the jurisdiction and the severity of the offense.
Proper procedures for depositing someone else's check.
If you have legitimate reasons to deposit a check for someone else, it is essential to follow the proper procedures to ensure you act within the boundaries of the law and maintain ethical practices. Here are some general steps to consider. 1. Obtain explicit authorization. Obtain written or verbal consent from the check owner before depositing their check. This ensures you have their explicit permission to handle their funds. 2. Provide identification. Banks may require you to provide identification when depositing a check for someone else. This helps establish your identity and shows that you are acting with proper authorization. 3. Use the correct endorsement. The check owner should endorse the back of the check with their signature and add a phrase like, "for deposit only," to indicate that it should be deposited into their account. 4. Accompany the check owner if necessary. Some banks may require the presence of the check owner when depositing a check into their account. If this is the case, accompany the individual to the bank to complete the deposit process. In conclusion, it is not advisable to mobile deposit a check for someone else without their authorization. Doing so can have serious legal and ethical consequences. Always remember the importance of obtaining proper authorization and following the correct procedures to ensure compliance with the law and maintain ethical practices. If you have any further questions or concerns, please consult with your local bank or financial institution for specific guidance regarding depositing checks for someone else. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information has been helpful.